If I click on customize option, there are 4 options. As scrolling through the pages, I can see there are some lags and jitteriness. Hello viewers, finally I have updated my iPad 10th generation to iPadOS 26 public beta version. Previously my iPad 10th generation was running on iPadOS 18.5. Then many users asked me to install the latest beta version, so I thought it would be a very good experience for the users who want to update to iPadOS 26 beta version. As you can see here, the size of this update is 8.45 GB. After updating to iPadOS 26, you can see that there is option of continue. Then I clicked on continue and there are some terms and conditions that I have to agree, and after that Apple Pay is showing to be activated, but I did not activate it. I clicked on setup later. Then there is option of full screen apps or full screen windowed apps. If you want window like animation and closing minimizing option, you can choose full screen and windowed apps, otherwise you should choose full screen apps. For the time being I am choosing full screen apps. Now it will show me get started option. If I click, it will be directed to the home screen. Now my iPad is updated to iPadOS 26 public beta version. And this is liquid glass design. This app has been included by the name of preview, and this is the new animation or the new look and feel of this beta version, that is iPadOS 26. It feels very refreshing to have this option, liquid glass option. And now if I customize the home screen, if I click on customize option, there are 4 options. As you can see here, default, dark, clear and tinted, and this is clear design, that is liquid glass design. It gives a very refreshing feel, and if you click on the right corner, it will automatically elaborate and decrease the size of the app. If you are someone who like to customize your iPad, in that case you will definitely like this new features from Apple. While scrolling through the pages, I can see there are some lags and jitteriness. The animation is not as smooth as it was in 18.5. If you go into the settings, that you can see that the animation of closing and opening the apps has been changed. Now I will go into the settings and show you the storage scenario so that you can understand by yourself how much storage is occupied by iPadOS and system data. Actually this is a 64 GB Wi-Fi variant of iPad 10th generation. You can see that iPadOS is taking 12.2 GB data or storage, I would say, and if I click on system data, it is about 6.95 GB. After that I checked the screen, and many users were asking me whether there is any screen flickering issue after this iPadOS 26 beta version. The answer is no, there is no screen flickering. However, at times I feel some lag while minimizing the full screen mode in YouTube app. If you observe closely, you can see that there are some lags while minimizing or maximizing the app. I enter into the wallpaper section. There are some new wallpapers in iPad 26. You can see dynamic shadow, sky, halo, and there is dusk. And if you click on the dynamic option, it will change the color of this page. This is a very cool thing that Apple has included into this iPadOS 26. However, in font and color section, you can see that these options were previously available. You can change the color and also look and feel of this font and color according to your preference. There are glass designs and solid colors. You can choose any color or any style as per your preference. This new wallpaper looks very beautiful on this iPad 10th generation, as you can see here. I hope you will also like this feature. So finally, in the conclusion, this is a very good update, but I think you should not update to the latest or beta version because there will be heating issue and performance issue, so you will not have a great experience while using this beta version. You should rather wait for the stable version that will come very soon. I will make many more videos regarding this update, so stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.